Now we have our pasta cooking, and we're going to go on to the making a roux. A roux is just a French term for equal parts of fat and flour that you mix together and cook for 2 or 3 minutes, and that's used as a thickening agent for sauces and soups and gravies and stuff like that. So right here we have 8 ounces of margarine. You can also use butter if you wanted. And then we also have, this is about 12 ounces of flour. So actually it's 8 ounces of flour also, I'm sorry. So it's equal portions in weight of flour and margarine. So just throw that into the pot here. We're going to let that melt. And then when that's melted, then we're going to add the flour to it and just combine it and stir it around till it makes like a consistency of sand. You want it to be like wet and like kind of texture of wet sand. So we got the margarine in there, and I'm going to add the flour. Okay. And we're just going to whip that together. And you want to make sure you cook it for 2 or 3 minutes just to make sure that the flour taste is cooked out of it, and so that way your finished product isn't going to have a flour taste to it. It's going to be like a raw flour taste. Now that the margarine is melted, we're just going to cook that for a couple minutes. Keep it on low heat. And you can see the texture of it. It's kind of like a texture of a wet sand.